Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is This Season of Life and I am Kimberly. Thank you for joining me today. I have been sick for a week and I am finally wanting to eat and I don't really want to cook. So I'm just going to throw some chicken legs in the crock pot, season them up, and I will have something to eat tomorrow. But that's okay. I'll be hungry tomorrow too, hopefully. The first thing I'm going to do is pat the chicken dry, get as much of the moisture off as possible. Okay, so we are going to just give it a little drizzle. Got a little glove. Okay, so first we're going to start with some salt. I don't know how the weather is where you guys are from, but I'm from Texas and it's feeling pretty good. Texas can be brutal. Today it has not been brutal. It's been very nice. I'm very appreciative. All right, so now I'm just going in with a little paprika. And I am going to kind of massage all the flavors, all the seasonings in. That's a little poultry seasoning and some ground thyme. And some onion powder. I know you probably think that was a lot, but I'm massaging it in to all the pieces, and they're all going to be up against each other in the crock pot anyway, so it will transfer over. Anything that's on the bottom, you just rub it on there. Looks pretty good. Looks good. And that one looks good. All right. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. So we are going to put the chicken in the crock pot with the crock of the crock pot, the liner, with some olive oil spray. But there we go. It's a brand new one, so don't want that to get on the camera. So now we're just going to put them with the. We're going to make them stand up. Normally when I do this, I have a lot more chicken legs going in the crock pot than just 5, but that's okay. They will eat just the same. And so that's what it's looking like. I don't put any moisture, no liquid. And gonna put it on high to get the heat going, get it up to temperature. Then we'll put it on low and let it cook for several hours. And then I'll bring you back. Okay, so I just checked the temperature of the chicken legs and they're done. And this is what it looks like. Hey guys, so at the ending of the video, don't know what happened. It sounded like something from a movie, but not a good movie. Anyway, so I wanted to show you the chicken. Looks pretty good. Tastes really good. Super tender. With chicken legs, sometimes the gristle and stuff I don't like that. But when you cook it in the crock pot like that, everything gets really broken down. So all of that sinew and stuff is gone. It's really good. So I hope you give it a try. Super easy, super delicious, economical, budget friendly, and if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe, like the video please. It helps the channel grow, and I will see you very soon with another video.